Hi everyone, welcome at the, how do I call it? It's not an unboxing because I'm not showing what is in the bags, but I'm going to show you how the advent box looks like and how the bags look like. And I'm getting so excited about Christmas and this advent box, and of course also the Christmas monthly box. It's one big Christmas party with Planything this year, and I'm super excited to show you everything. I hope you are going to love it. I love it, so I hope you do too. Okay, let me start with the first bags. Okay, I'm so excited. I'm so sorry. Okay, let me start with number one. It's this cute Santa bag. How cute. Number two. Cute Christmas tree. I also have to say that maybe a few bags are different with the numbers, but overall it's the same as what I'm showing right now. Number three. It's now October 2021 and this advent box is still available to order. It will ship on October 25. This is number four. Number four. Number five. Number six. Number seven. Maybe with some bags you already know a little bit what can be in there. Number eight. Number nine. Number 10. Number 11. Number 12. I hope you like the bag so far. Number 13. Number 14. Number 15. Number 16. Number 17. Number 18. Number 19. Number 20. Number 21. Number 22. Number 23. And number 24. Also, besides the cute bags, look at how pretty this Christmas box is. This advent box will be shipped in this box, and I don't know what to say. So I now showed you everything what is in this advent box, and I'm super excited. I can't wait for you to open these bags. I really hope it gives you all the Christmas feels, and it has a perfect Christmas countdown for you. And yes, I'm super excited.